Come here. Let's play. Come here. Come here. I show you these eggs. Come on. Baby Ace, let's play this egg. Please sit down here. What's that? Oh, you want that? Okay, but before that, you need to learn this first, please. Okay? Come here. Okay, sit down. Let's go. Oh, you want this? Oh. You have to drink. Oh. Oh. Oh, come here. Sit down here. Say hi. Say hi. Come here. Baby Ace, here. Where's the egg? This one is the egg. Come here. Oh, here. Come here. Let's go. Baby Ace, I have 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs. Come here. Come here. Oh, see. Wow. Wow. Baby Ace, wow. See? Hey, let's go. What are you doing there? Here. Can you sit down here, please? Please. Oh, sit. Baby, yan. Oh, be careful. Oh, I show you this. I have 3 eggs. 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 purple. This egg is color purple. Say it, purple. Very good. Can you give Tito Ninong purple egg, please? Please. Purple egg, please. Very good. This one is color yellow. Say it first, yellow. Yellow. One more. Say it. Yellow. Please say it. Yellow. Come here. Say it. Yellow. Say it first. Yellow. Yeah, very good. And this one is purple. Say it. Purple. Louder. Very good. This one, green. Say it. Green. Say it first. Say it first. Say green. Oh, no. Say it first. Color green. Baby A. Love, love, Tito Ninong.